You want a sweet treat, but something that's a little bit on the lighter and fruitier side. Today we're making possibly the easiest 3-ingredient berry cobbler. So to start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Get yourself out a 9 by 13 baking pan. I'm lining mine, you don't have to. This recipe does not stick hardly at all. And then we need 24 to 32 ounces of your favorite fruit. I love a mixed berry combination with blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. I don't prefer strawberries in this just because I like my fruit all to be approximately the same size. Evenly distribute your fruit into the bottom of your pan, and I like to make it kind of flat on top just so that our next ingredient has a flat surface to be poured on top of. Then you need 1 box of a yellow or white cake mix, either will work, and just evenly sprinkle that over the top of all of your fruit. Make sure you get it into all the corners and around all of the edges. I don't know about you, but a crumble or a cobbler topping is possibly my favorite part of the dish, so you want that in every bite. Then you need 12 ounces of a lemon lime pop. It can be regular, it can be diet, it can be zero sugar, whatever you want to use. Go ahead and slowly pour that over all the top of your cake mix. It's not going to be perfect. You're going to have some dry spots of your cake mix, but don't worry, it'll be okay. And then we're going to pop this into our preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Once your 45 minutes are up, the top of your cobbler is going to be lightly golden brown. If it's not lightly golden yet, you can go ahead and leave it in there for a few more minutes. And I'm going to let this cool for a little while, maybe just 5-10 minutes. I still want it to be a little bit warm for my first time enjoying it, and I would absolutely recommend having this with some homemade whipped cream or even a creamy scoop of vanilla ice cream. And if you want to be extra fancy, you could garnish it with a leaf or two of fresh mint. So easy, so delicious, so light. I will leave the ingredients and the instructions down below for you guys in the description. If you would try this cobbler, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you guys are looking for another easy dessert idea, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.